We're coming to you from Orlando, Florida, and you're going to want to watch the entirety of this video because who knows, you might actually get a couple ideas that you can utilize to make more money. Watch this. What's up, everybody? It's 𝐓𝐨𝐲𝐬 here with The Wedding Method. We are in Orlando, Florida, and we just did a big, huge event for Nextech right behind me. From DJs to production companies and everything else, we want to find more ways to make more money, and I'm going to show you what we did down here. We hooked up with this company about 6-7 years ago as just a DJ, and then we started to expand on what they wanted and what their needs were. Now, 2 years ago, we came down to Orlando, Florida to create a mobile escape room for them. And there's only 50 people. 2 years later, their company tripled in size. This beautiful hotel of the Renaissance at the airport down here in Orlando is amazing, but doesn't have a whole lot of room to work with. So what did we do? We went down to Lake Eola in downtown Orlando, and we created a custom-made puzzle for them. So there were 6 different stops around the lake, from the floor is lava to ducks with puzzle codes. We even created a copy of their website and melted it down into puzzle codes with QR codes. A little history of the actual lake: there's a beautiful fountain right in the middle of it. In 2009, it was struck by lightning. We took this fountain as our centerpiece of our puzzle and created green glass, green plastic. We etched it, made it look like a little Back to the Future newspaper, right? And they had to collect 6 green sections of green glass, all from around the area on the different puzzle stops. It was adding team building value to this entire company. So you have to have other opportunities to make more money, right? So we started off with DJ services. Then they wanted to expand with doing scavenger hunts or team building activities. On Friday night, we did a game night, right? So we had Mario Kart on one screen, and then we had also trivia on the other screen. And we created a fun atmosphere for the employees because, once again, when your company's tripling in size in just a couple years, you have to be able to create that excitement and show that your company is fun to be there, so to keep company employee retention, right? We did headshots for all the employees and for over a dozen executives. We did video interview series that's going to help enhance their brand. We even handled their branding, offering flags, pens, paper, awards, signage for the event. You can even see more of our products we offer on our site at weddingbranding.com. These are just some of the things that we did to help enhance Nextech's brand. But this is how you actually create more growth, right? So you find other ways of your business. So what else can you do? You're like, Eric, oh my God, I can't buy so many screens. I don't have that much cash flow, etc. The thing is, you partner up with other local AV companies. And whenever we're here in Orlando, we're using all of Orlando labor. We're using all of the local Orlando people, from Ron Red, amazing other people from Mark Burgess, and many others. If your company travels like we do, find local houses that are close to your area so you can utilize them. That's how you are able to make more money within your company. I will see you at Mobile Beat 24 in Las Vegas in just a week away almost. And if you guys have any questions, leave some comments below. But it's not that difficult to scale your business and grow just by implementing a couple other things. So hopefully you took a couple nuggets out of this, especially the corporate team building, which is so valuable nowadays in this field. See you guys soon.